Hello students, in this video we will learn your topic quadratic equation exercise 4.4 page number 95. Question B1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. So how can we find the nature of the roots? A quadratic equation, what are the conditions? A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, is greater than 0. Number 2 condition, two real equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal 0. Number 3, no real roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So these are the conditions. If discriminants greater than 0, then we have two distinct real roots. If discriminant equals 0, then we have two real equal roots. If discriminant less than 0, then there is no real roots exist. So now by the given quadratic equation, you have to compare. By comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0, we have here a value how much? You see, in place of a, here how much? 2. Value of b is in which place? Coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x how much? Minus 3. That means value of b is minus 3. So c value how much? 5. Now you find discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B square, value of b is how much? Minus 3 square minus 4 a into c. A value is how much? 2. C is 5. Minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is 9. You see, minus 3 square. That means minus 3 into minus 3. Minus minus plus 3 is a 9. Minus 4 to is a 8. 8 into 5 is 40. Now you see, before greatest term 40 we have minus. So take minus, do subtract. 40 minus 9 is how much? 31. Since discriminant equal b square minus 4ac, we get what? Minus 31, which is less than 0. Hence the given equation has no roots. Here discriminant getting negative, which is less than 0. Hence this equation has no roots. Now you see the next question. Question number 2, 3x square minus 4 plus 4 is equal 0. In the same way, you compare by comparing with general quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal 0. We have a, value of a here how much? 3. b is how much here? Minus 4 root 3. C value is 4. Now you find discriminant d equal b square minus 4ac. b is how much? Minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 a into c. A is 3, c is 4. Now you see, minus 4 square. Minus 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3. Minus 4 3 is a 12. 12 into 4 is a 48. 16 3 is 48 minus 48 is equal 0. Since discriminant we got 0, therefore you see if discriminant 0, that this b square minus 4ac this discriminant is 0, then we have two real equal roots. Therefore we have two real equal roots. Now we will use the quadratic formula to find the roots. We have two equal roots, so to find the equal roots we will use the quadratic formula. X equal what? Minus b plus minus discriminant by 2a minus b. B value we got how much? We have minus 4 or 3. Discriminant is 0 by 2a. A is 3. Value of a is 3. So now minus into minus plus. 4 or 3 is plus minus 0. It is meaningless. 2 3 is how much? 2 into 3 is 6. Now you see HCF of this 4 and 6 is how much? 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is how much? 6. Again we can cancel root 3 into root 3 is 3. So what we get? 2 by root 3. So now the equal roots as the equal roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Now we will do the next one. We see the next question, question number 2. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So here, since the given equation has two equal roots, therefore discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal 0. Here discriminant equals 0, already given here. They have two equal roots. Now by comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal 0, we have a value how much here? You compare, a is 2. Then value of b is here how much? K. Then value of c how much? 3. So now you find discriminant b square minus 4ac we have equal 0. So b is how much here? B is k minus 4. A into c, a we have 2, c is 3 is equal 0. So k square is k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is how much? 24 is equal 0. So k square minus 24 equals 0. So k square is how much? Is 24. Therefore k is square root of 24. Find square root of 24. To find square root of 24, you find out the prime factor. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 12, 2 3 is 6. You write now the prime factor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. When you take square root, then it will be plus minus. From here, one pair you take 1. You see this 2 1 is left over, so there will be square root. 2 3 is how much? 6. So the roots will be 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6. Thank you.